Discernment. Discernment is not judgment. Discernment is not criticism. Discernment is the quiet wisdom that allows you to see clearly. It helps you distinguish truth from illusion, love from fear, inner guidance from outer noise. Discernment allows you to say yes to what nourishes your soul and no to what no longer serves your highest good. As your discernment grows, your confidence grows, your clarity grows, your freedom grows. Today, you are awakening the inner wisdom that has always lived within you. Everything unfolds only for your highest good. You are completely protected, deeply supported, and lovingly guided. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to relax completely. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in clarity. Breathing out confusion. One more deep breath. Feel your mind becoming quiet, your heart becoming still, your awareness becoming bright. Imagine yourself surrounded by a sphere of brilliant diamond, white, and golden light. Within this sacred sanctuary, only truth, only wisdom, only divine love may enter. Your higher self now joins you. The collective angelic team lovingly surrounds you. You are safe, you are protected, you are guided by divine wisdom. Imagine yourself entering the magnificent temple of divine wisdom. You step onto the radiant BodyMaitre command deck. Above you, a pillar of crystalline white gold light descends from infinite source. Below you, Mother Earth anchors your body with stability and strength. Take another gentle breath. Silently say, engage. Instantly, the command deck awakens. Sacred geometry begins illuminating beneath your feet. Golden circles of consciousness expand around you. The angelic hologram activates. You are now standing inside your multi-dimensional temple of wisdom. Before you, though, 4 radiant versions of yourself appear: your spiritual body, your mental body, your emotional body, your physical body. Each one holds a key to deeper wisdom. Each one is ready to awaken the consciousness of discernment. Bring your awareness to your spiritual body. See brilliant diamond white and violet gold light surrounding it. The infinite source now downloads the divine consciousness of discernment into your soul. Imagine a brilliant diamond white light descending from the cosmos. This is the pure consciousness of discernment. Allow this piercing, purifying light to activate your highest spiritual vision, illuminating the difference between illusion and divine truth. Feel this sharp clarity anchor into your soul's blueprint, protecting your spiritual path. Ancient wisdom begins awakening. Your intuition becomes brighter. Your higher self becomes clearer. You begin remembering truth is always peaceful. Truth is always loving. Truth never needs force. Silently repeat, I now activate the consciousness of discernment. I recognize divine truth. I trust my higher self. My intuition becomes clear. Wisdom naturally guides me. I walk the path of truth. Allow this awareness to anchor deeply. Now bring your attention to your mental body. Beautiful sapphire blue and golden light illuminates every thought. The consciousness of discernment downloads into your mind. Now allow this brilliant diamond light of discernment to flow down into your mind, entering your mental body. Visualize this frequency downloading into your subconscious, acting as a powerful filter. Watch it clear away the mental clutter of other people's opinions, societal conditioning, and false beliefs. We now install the consciousness of discernment as your new mental baseline. Allow this energy to program your mind to easily recognize absolute truth and make decisions with unwavering clarity. Mental fog dissolves, confusion disappears, overthinking becomes clarity. Your mind begins recognizing patterns with wisdom instead of fear. Silently repeat, I now install discernment into my mind. I think with clarity. I recognize truth from illusion. I make wise decisions. My mind serves my soul. Clarity becomes my natural state. Notice your thoughts becoming organized, focused, peaceful. Now focus upon your emotional body. Beautiful emerald, silver, and rose gold light gently surrounds your heart. The consciousness of discernment now flows into your emotions. Imagine this diamond light establishing a pristine, protective boundary around your heart space. Allow yourself to truly feel the profound relief of releasing any emotional baggage, anxiety, or heavy feelings that you have absorbed from others. Let it wash away emotional confusion, allowing your own true, authentic feelings to emerge from within your heart space. Give this frequency permission to express itself fully. You no longer become overwhelmed by feelings. Instead, you lovingly observe them. Every emotion becomes information, not your identity. Fear loses its control. Love becomes your compass. Silently repeat, I now feel discernment. I honor my emotions with wisdom. I respond with love. My heart recognizes what feels true. Peace confirms my alignment. Love becomes my emotional compass. Feel your heart becoming balanced, centered, wise, open. Bring your awareness to your physical body. Golden light enters every cell, every organ, every muscle, every nerve. Your body becomes deeply grounded. You begin trusting your body's wisdom. You naturally recognize what supports your well-being and what drains your energy. Notice the physical sensation of a strong, somatic knowing settling deeply into your physical vessel, awakening your true gut instincts. By grounding this vibration, you allow discernment to materialize as clear physical boundaries and aligned choices. As you embody this consciousness, it manifests as absolute sovereignty in your daily reality. Silently repeat, my body lives with discernment. I honor healthy boundaries. I choose what nourishes me. My actions reflect wisdom. Every decision supports my highest good. I embody conscious living. Feel your entire body becoming stable, confident, grounded. Breathe in deeply, anchoring this profound sovereignty into your physical form. Now all four bodies begin moving closer together: the spiritual body, the mental body, the emotional body, the physical body. Beautiful streams of diamond white light connect them. Discernment now flows effortlessly through all four bodies. Spirit illuminates truth. Mind understands truth. Heart feels truth. Body lives truth. The four bodies become one harmonious field. One consciousness, one inner compass, one authentic expression of wisdom. Your higher self now steps forward. looking into your eyes with infinite love, placing both hands gently upon your forehead and your heart. Your higher self softly says, "Your wisdom has always been within you. You never needed to fear your intuition. Every answer already lives inside your soul." Quiet your mind. Open your heart. Trust what brings peace. A brilliant diamond white flame ignites within your heart. This becomes your inner compass of discernment. Whenever you pause, it will gently guide you toward truth. Now imagine yourself 1 month from today. Living with the consciousness of discernment, notice how calmly you make decisions. Notice how easily you recognize what aligns with your highest good. Notice stronger boundaries, healthier relationships, greater confidence, more meaningful opportunities. Notice yourself trusting your intuition with peace instead of fear. Your subconscious mind now learns from this future version of yourself. This is becoming your new reality. Now imagine this beautiful consciousness expanding beyond you. Into your family, your business, your workplace, your community, humanity. Your wisdom becomes a light that helps others find their own truth. You do not control, you simply illuminate. Take one final deep breath. The collective angelic team lovingly seals today's installation. Your higher self gently confirms, the consciousness of discernment has now been activated, downloaded, installed, integrated, anchored, and is naturally unfolding at the perfect pace for your highest good. Every moment of awareness strengthens your discernment. Every loving choice strengthens your wisdom. Every peaceful decision aligns you with your highest destiny. Bring awareness back to your breathing. Feel your body. Feel the chair supporting you. Feel your feet connected to Mother Earth. Gently wiggle your fingers, move your shoulders, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Welcome to a wiser version of yourself. Thank you for sharing this sacred journey with the BodyMaitre community. Return to this meditation whenever you seek greater clarity, wisdom, or confidence in your choices. Each time you listen, the consciousness of discernment becomes more deeply embodied within your spiritual body, your mental body, your emotional body, and your physical body. Remember, discernment is the bridge between awareness and wise action. It allows you to live with integrity, authenticity, and trust in your higher self. Until next time. May your higher self and the collective angelic team continue guiding every step of your 4 bodies mastery journey.